Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio, play music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2021 Ford Transit Connect. First of all, you go to your music. That's the record that will play. You'll see here at the bottom, if I click there, sorry, Mars bar fingers, if I click there, Ford Transit Connect, so there's a tick next to that. If there wasn't, if it was there, it'd be playing through there. Click on Ford Transit. So any music, any sound, any audio, whether it be Spotify, Amazon Music, a YouTube video, it will play the audio, Apple Music, anything will play through here if you have it set right. All you have to do now, so that's playing, we go to the music symbol, the music note symbol, click on there, that's it there. That's it, that's how you do it.